Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unknown Host. Today we are going to explore another state video of the incredible India. And in this video we are going to give information about Odisha state of India. Before that, if you are not subscribed to my channel, subscribe now and press bell icon to get notification when we upload new videos. Fine, let's start. Odisha, also known as Orissa, is an Indian state located on the eastern India. It neighbors the state of West Bengal and Jharkhand to the north, Chhattisgarh to the west, and Andhra Pradesh to the south. It is the 8th largest state by area and 11th largest state by population. The modern boundaries of Orissa were demarcated by the British Indian government, and the province of Orissa was established on 1st April 1936. So that 1st April is celebrated as Utkal Divas. Orissa consisted of Odia speaking district. Odia is also known as Oriya. Here are some must know basic information of Odisha state. Orissa has 30 districts and 314 blocks. Capital of Orissa is Bhubaneswar, and it is also a largest city of Orissa. Orissa legislative system has unicameral system which has 147 seats, and parliamentary constituency of Orissa contain 21 Lok Sabha and 10 Rajya Sabha. Orissa population in 2020 is expected to be 46 million as per Unique Identification Authority Aadhaar, India. Famous persons who belongs to Orissa are stalwarts from literacy field like Dr. F.M. Senapati, Gangadhar Mehar, freedom fighters such as Utkal Gaurav Madhusudan Das, Pandit Gopabandhu Das, Dr. H.K. Mahatab, and progressive rulers like Maharaj Krishna Chandra Dev, Ramachandra Banjadev, visionary like Biju Patnaik have made valuable contribution to shape up modern Orissa. When we are coming to the religions, the majority of people in Orissa are Hindu, and there is also a rich culture heritage in the state. Then next is languages. Odia is the official language of Orissa, and it is spoken by 82.7% of population according to 2011 census of India. It is also one of the classical languages of India. Some of the other major languages found inside the state of Odisha are Sambalpuri, Kataki, Puri, Baleshwari, Ganjami, Desiya, and Fulbani. In addition to Odia, significant population of people speaking other major Indian languages like Hindi, Telugu, Urdu, and Bengali are also found in the state. Then next is culture. The Indian state of Orissa has a rich culture and artistic heritage. The classical dance form Odissi is originated here and is famous all over the world. The famous dance form is all about the love of Lord Krishna and his consort Radha. Besides, there are many folk dances and folk theatres as well. The culture has been influenced by religions like Jainism, Hinduism and Buddhism. The popular Ratha Yatra of Orissa is held in Puri, which is carried out with the great faith and devotion. It is popular all over the country and here you can see the culture and customs of the people. The rich handicraft and handloom textiles of the state are famous all over the world. The silver filigree work, picture frames, saris and ikat fabrics are quite famous. The Raghu Rajput is a famous painting form. The paintings comprises scenes from Indian mythology and the prime characters of deities of Puri temple, Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra. Then next is food system. Kanika rice is the staple in Odisha. It also prepared as offering in temples. Here is a list of delicious foods one must try when in Odisha. The syrup dessert Pahala Rasgola made in Odisha is known throughout the world. Chennapoda is another major Odisha sweet dish. Then next is agriculture. Agriculture is the chief occupation in Orissa. About 76% of total working population is engaged with agriculture and agriculture related industries. Orissa is one of the largest producers of rice in India. The state grows almost 1/10 of the total rice production of the country. The main crops cultivated in the state are rice, jute, oilseeds, pulses, coconut, mesta, sugarcane, tea, rubber, cotton, gram, mustard, maize, sesame, ragi, potato, soya bean. The next is tourism. Orissa is home to various World Heritage sites and other monuments. There are hundreds of temples dating from the ancient times. The Sun Temple of Konark in Bhubaneswar and Puri is a World Heritage site. Besides, there is a vast seashore of 500 km that has world famous beaches where one can enjoy water sports or simply bask in the sun. Chilka is a famous blackwater lake that is home to millions of species of birds. And dolphins are also seen here. Some of the major beaches here are Gopalpur, Chandipur, Puri and Chandrabhaga. Besides that, you can also have a picnic on smaller beaches like Aryapalli, Astaranga, Balaramgadi, Paradeep, Talasari and Ramachandi. The state is also known for its wonderful flora and fauna and the Royal Bengal tiger. The state is famous for its many wildlife sanctuaries. That's all about overview of Odisha state of India. And in next video, we will catch you with another state video of the incredible India. I hope you guys are like this video and surely support us. Thank you for watching. We will get back to you soon with another interesting video. Stay tuned to Unknown Host.